It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10, it's glistening once again with candy cans and silver lamps that glow.
And welcome back to my channel. New to this channel, my name is Harease. I vlog lifestyle, fitness, and travel TV. Grand rising, wonderful, beautiful, lovely, amazing, phenomenal people. Today is Sunday. I've just ended a vlog. You might see me look the same with the same thing on, but you already know. You get it how you live. We talked about this already. You've been warned. So, it's the sun is shining again, but I heard some rumors. We ain't gonna put it in the atmosphere. We're gonna leave it. We're gonna let it be. And I'll tell you about it as the rumors. If the rumors are true or false, I'll let you know.
Real nigga.
We got our nails done. Reboot. I got red toes because it's about to be Christmas time, so. We are going to date night, and it's raining.
Who made it back Wendy's to these people's facility on the same floor.
Now, Grand Rising is yet another day, but I had to tell y'all that the rumors that I heard that I didn't talk about because I wanted to see if they were true. They true today. Yesterday, they weren't so true, but today, they true. 46 degrees today. So yeah, that's what I was didn't want to put in the atmosphere until it was in the atmosphere. I'm trying to button this button, and now it's in the atmosphere so we can talk about it. It's cold. Yesterday it did rain while we were getting our nails done before we went on our dinner date, our date night, which was great. I enjoyed time with my husband very much. So date night went very well. After date night, the clip that you just heard about with my sister, that was my sister on the phone. She called me last night. She requested that my parents call me. And why did my parents leave the phone with my sister knowing that she is loopy with that medication? Girl, they need a break, okay? Because first of all, they need supervision as well. And they're over there supervising somebody else. But girl, I laughed so hard last night. What you say? That girl had me laughing so hard. Oh my God. I mean, I was laughing this morning. That's how funny it was. It's just hilarious because she said the first time you decide to be nice, you invited Wendy's and Chef RD to, I don't know what she was talking about, girl. But it was hilarious. And it went on and on and on. No, it was so funny. But anyway, so, it's Monday morning. Well, we headed to work. So let's go. I hope you have a great day. Because I know regardless of what happens today, I'm going to have a good day. Period. I might want to do today. Go to work. I didn't want to go to work. But I'm here. I'm going into Fresh Market to grab some odds and ends for the rest of the week. I need some more yogurt. I need some, what else I need? I need yogurt. I need fruit. I need salad, perhaps. Some stuff like that. So I need some stuff to just carry me throughout the week. 3 more days. And then I don't think I'm gonna bring y'all in here. You've been in Fresh Market before. And it's fresh after work. And I'm just tired, so. Last time I picked up my camera, I was going into the fresh market to get some fruit and yogurt, and I did so. I've been eating that for the past 2 days because it's been 2 days since I picked up my camera. Yesterday was my first day, my first experience at Sephora. I'm gonna add some clips in. But yep, I've never been to a Sephora, never been into an Ulta either. So and yesterday it was just a small Sephora, so I need to go in and probably vlog a little bit. Most people have been to one. I have never, and that's no cap. Ulta, I'll do something there too. I've never been to an Ulta either, so I don't even. And I was so lost yesterday in Sephora. But anyway, not rambling. See y'all later. No, it's after work. Can you tell? Look at the look. It's dark. 5:28 and it's looking like it's about to be 7 or 8 o'clock. I don't like that, but I can't complain. It is what it is. Grand Rising, and welcome back to another episode of Unapologetically Harease. And I'm gonna leave this right in the vlog too. But anyway, OOTD Friday. Today is Secret Santa party at work. This is my outfit. So, you know, I may look like the Grinch, but I ain't the Grinch. So the Secret Santa gift I picked in Athens. It's the coworker that I work hand in hand with. That's the one I picked. I got him some things to freshen up with in a bag so like he can travel with it. And I think it's a great idea. Everybody can use some of that. Our limit was $25, and I kind of know what everybody in the office put on their Secret Santa list because everybody told me pretty much. Or I did their list for them because they didn't know what to put on there. We all put gift cards, so I'll show you what I got when I come back. And it's probably a gift card, and I probably will vlog some of the party as well. You might not see faces, but you'll definitely see activity. Anyways, it's time to go and get this day over with. Yes. And this weekend, we are going to see the sis. What you think, Harease? It's good.
He been in here already?
Yeah, I had to do something for him.
But he ain't look in here? We can do that after we... I'll try.
He wore them whenever he played football. Dear Lord, thank you this day and thank you for this time together. Thank you for keeping us safe for another year, and we ask your blessings in 2024. Now we ask that you bless us food to our bodies and our bodies to our service. In your name, amen. Yeah. Prepare and then get some soup.
Santa Claus. That's the only kind you like. They had you. Who had you?
I don't know.
You guess.
Oh. Harease? No?
I ain't gonna lie. If I had him, I would say it. It wasn't me.
He's not. Wow. One more, dude. Who do you think?
No, he said 3.
Oh, you said 3?
That's 3.
No.
I missed my call. What is it?
Who? Oh.
Ain't nothing left in it.
What you guess, man?
It was me. I made a pit stop at Buc-ee's. I'm tired, so I just was in here taking me a little nappy nap. But my fur baby is crying, so Trying to keep an eye on her too. We're headed down to see my sister. FaceTimed me yesterday, so that should tell you how she's doing. We'll be going up there this weekend, so you guys will be seeing her and see how she's doing totally. I don't want to tell her business, but I'm gonna put this on here just for memories because she won't remember everything. She kind of had a mental breakdown last night thinking about our other sister. I think she really, really misses her. It's not that I don't. It's just that I understand the transitioning phase of this journey and this experience called life. So, but she really misses our other sister very much, and I can understand that. But yeah, so we'll be seeing her this weekend, see how she's doing, see how she's recovering. I mean, for her to FaceTime me, she was having actually, she called me yesterday morning when I was at work, and we talked a little bit. But she's doing much better than she was. And let's see y'all either when I'm headed back to Athens or we are at Homewood Suites by Hilton. This is my first time staying at a Homewood Suites. I had no idea that it was decked out like this. It's nice in here. You learn something new every day. It's cold up here, and I have to stay warm because that's my forte. In Athens again to check on my sister to make sure she's okay. We're just up here from basically Friday night to Sunday afternoon, or yeah, probably afternoon. I have to go to work on Monday, so I just came to check on her to see if she's okay. My parents has exited the building and they went to Columbus, Georgia, where we're from, to handle whatever they gotta do. I don't know, but I'm here in full support for my sister because I can't be as often as I would like to be, so I'm here now. Hotel just gave me red rum vibes, just saying. I went to the garage. I'm trying to get to the street. Maybe I can get to the street through the garage, but Everything here is going to be Georgia Bulldog. Definitely cold out here. We all know how I feel about being cold. Well, I won't say it's freezing, but it is definitely cold. My God. I'm just trying to give Sherman time to get up and, you know, because I already got my life together. So I have to give other people time to get their lives together also. I brought my headphones down here, but I did not. Y'all ate breakfast?
Yeah, I had a boiled egg and some bacon. Me and China boiled egg. China had sausage and egg. We think it was past the time because they just set the clock back in the room.
Yeah.
I'm like, y'all better get up. They're
Yeah.
closing. They ran down there. They said, no, it's time down.
Oh, Grandpa smooth with it.
Now who talking now?
Thank you so much.
Of course. Y'all have a great day.
You
okay?
too.
But I was in New York when I woke up.
Reed, look at this sugar, baby. Look at this sugar, boo.
At the hospital location, but we had to park on the other side. So we parked over here, and we're gonna walk like we did last time to the hospital. If you watched the vlog, if you didn't and you're new, my name is Harease. If you're returning, hey girl, hey. Did I steal that from somebody? Hey girl, hey. I don't know, but it sounds good, so I might rock with that too. So shout out to whoever I got that from. I should just stick with my gods and goddesses. I watch so many different people's vlogs sometimes, you know, stuff be rubbing off on you, like phrases and words.
Hello.
You said you gonna be a stripper though?
Yeah, but they gonna be Jello, baby. This ain't jam.
Oh, what Jello shake like? What Jello shake like? That what you shaking like that right now?
I said, girl, what you doing? Somebody don't want to see how one of them pop out. Girl,
I think you did that.
She popped my brain out.
I think you did that,
So
Sha.
we gonna get some more friends right quickly. Then we'll start popping this one now.
You won't go on the vlog? On YouTube? You don't care? You call your friends? Cause you were texting. Ebony showed me what you were texting. You don't know what you doing. You need to start texting people.
What texting?
What are you doing on the bed?
She had way down. What you texting Ebony?
What texting?
I don't know what you said, girl. You don't know what
She
you
don't
were
like
saying. Imagine you're on the beach.
I thought she was some oil on. I've been black all my life, girl.
She been black.
All these staples. All these staples in your house.
Yeah, you wouldn't be here. That's a different story. We on something else now.
I got crazy you before you gonna talk about you country. Now you just telling me.
Now she just lying now.
A little bit.
Can you sit up in the bed with this?
Come on, we're popping nothing.
I ain't even popping.
He said he applied for it. You ate that? That's why.
Just say you like it. Right. Thank you.
Watch your back.
Yes, you do.
Money, I can get on the bus. Because I move here. Always oh.
They said that this going up the hill is gonna be tough on them.
Yeah, but your ass.
I can do it backwards too. I'm so glad my sister feel better. She's talking. She's not medicated today, so she's really herself. I'm so happy. This market festival thing we saw from the street when they were going to the Waffle House. So we're headed there now. You hear the music?
I just go through here.
Right.
This is all about exploring
That's right.
and stuff. We didn't come here just like take shortcuts here, see things, and to see the nature and the outdoors. I bet Ooh, I see your playground.
Going to the festival, girl. Not even that much. Look.
Exactly, we're right here.
Exactly.
They don't have no taste in the world.
They'll have taste in what?
They don't have no taste in anything.
Let's take a picture by the dog over here.
They still have the same thing. I see them.
You know. That's kind of cool, right? The last.
Yeah.
And people said, tell China.
I forgot to read the
Yo, what you have?
TikTok.
Yeah.
Push your button. I have all kinds of art classes. Do you like to draw?
Yeah.
I do drawing, painting, origami. We're even doing gingerbread houses.
But you know, you have to Instagram everything.
Yeah.
But yes, that way I can remember. But I'll scan that as well. That's good. Festival marketplace. It was kind of cool. A lot of different art pieces. China's trying to tell you about it, but she's still walking.
Yeah, because since
This park, let me show you. This is aesthetic. Now this is my kind of aesthetics right here. I'm always talking about aesthetics, but this is my kind. My kind of aesthetics. I don't care what nobody say when they doing that matte this, matte that, perfect white color and perfect that. No, this is my kind of aesthetics right here. In nature, the green aesthetic, the brown aesthetic, the antique aesthetic. That's mine. Going out to morning pee. It's Sunday morning. I'm just standing in the elevator and did push one button. Wow. It is certainly quite nippy out here. I think it's supposed to be like in the 40s, but it's definitely cold. I can actually feel the wind going through my jacket. I have on a short sleeve shirt, but wow. Too cold though, girl. I was gonna go further down the sidewalk. It's too breezy. I can't do it. And Brooklyn over here shaking. Even she got her sweater on. Even when I'm on vacay, I try to eat as healthy as I possibly can. So we've gone to Kroger's and found some dragon fruit cups. So I'm gonna try this down. Hopefully it's good. And I also grabbed me some water. I have my jug in my room, but I grabbed water. I also found the booch, which I've slowed down on. I don't do these as much, but I did one last night. So let's have breakfast. Those dragon fruit, which was very good, by the way. I forgot to tell y'all they had pots and pans down here. See my sister before I leave from Target, you know what I'm saying? Cause that's my best friend.
I can't be scared.
The room from with my sister, heading into the elevator. Question: why do people pee on the toilet and don't wipe it off when there's tissue right there? Today is my youngest nephew's birthday. It's December 16th, 17th? December 17th, pardon me. I knew that, just testing you. And it's his birthday. His mom is my sister that's in the hospital. So I think he's on his way to see her. How sweet is that? I didn't get to stay to see him to see him get here. We had to check out of the hotel by 1. So we had to go ahead and leave. And I will vlog whenever I get where I'm going, because I don't want to waste your time just saying Gwen has joined me in her crying session, and I would say sorry for my lipstick, but it is what it is. It's a real life thing, and if it's not aesthetic, oh well. It's my father-in-law's first time in Georgia, by the way. Our pit stop at Bookies. Since we are at our stopping point, halfway mark, whatever you want to call it, I'm going to end the vlog here. My name is Harease, for those who are new. I think I said that already, but yeah, my name is Harease. Anyways, and for those who are returning, I said I was gonna say hey girl hey, but I know I stole it from somebody. But anyway, I'm gonna rock with it for this end of this vlog. If you have been, or if you're still with us this long, drop a heart in the comment section for my sister and her recovery. And I thank you guys for coming along. Per usual, see you in the next one.